Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to manage your properties in the matrix. If you haven't seen the other introductory video about the matrix yet, just go to that page and watch that video first if you want more background information on what the matrix is and what it can do for you. But let's dive in. So let's say you want to know a bit more about the employment agreements. Well, they're nicely structured on the left, and you get an overview in the matrix right here. What you can do is scroll over to the properties and you will see all the properties that we extract. In this case, employee job title, employee responsibilities, and so on. You can reorder these properties any way you want. So just go to the reorder properties button and drag around the way you want them. If you want to extract additional properties, you can just type the name of your property, for example, the start date, and what you want to extract. If you want to have a good description of what to extract, just imagine that you're explaining it to a young, inexperienced intern, and you just define what the property is about and describe where in the contract you can find this property typically, like in which clause or so on. Just create this property and it will be added automatically. You can also edit the existing properties. Let's say you want something different from the employee benefits. You can just change the description we have here. Or if you don't like one of these properties, you can just delete them altogether. These properties are the same properties that have been extracted in the IRL and gap analysis. So let's go to the available documents, employment agreements, and then you will see all the properties here. So these are the same properties as you have in the matrix. All right, this was a quick overview of how to use the properties in the matrix. Thank you.